Lesson 1, Food Group Fun. Upon completion of this lesson, the student will be able to identify the 5 food groups by name and color. Explain that a food grouping system helps them make healthy food choices. Identify and classify foods that belong in each of the 5 food groups and extra foods that do not belong to any food group. Identify nutrients as the reason for grouping certain foods together.
Sometimes it's hard to know what to eat to be healthy. My Plate is a simple guide to help us out. Notice the 5 food groups: fruits, vegetables, proteins, grains, and dairy. Our plate at home should look similar to the My Plate guide. Notice how half the plate is full of fruits and vegetables. A smaller portion contains protein, like lean meat or fish. There's also grains, like whole grain bread or pasta, and dairy, like milk, yogurt, or cheese. Follow the My Plate guide.
Food groups can help you solve the puzzle of healthy eating. Choose My Plate is built around the food groups. You will need to choose foods from all of the food groups to help your body learn, play, and grow strong and healthy. Can you build the plate by dragging the food groups into the right spot? Build the plate by dragging the food group shape into the right place. You did it! Click each food group to learn more. Fruits help our bodies heal. Grains, like bread, cereal, and pasta, help turn the foods we eat into energy in our bodies. Vegetables help us have healthy skin and eyes. Protein foods like meat, beans, and nuts help build strong muscles. Dairy foods like milk, yogurt, and cheese help us build strong bones and teeth. Do you know how much to eat from each food group every day? Click the Next button and learn more about healthy eating. Drag each food to the correct food group on the plate or into the glass. Do not stop until you have filled up your plate. You did it! You matched the foods into the right group and figured out how much you need every day. Eating balanced meals, one food from each food group, will help you learn, play, and grow healthy and strong.
What is the name of the guide for filling your dish? Food plate, My Plate, food circle, meal pyramid. If you said My Plate, you are correct. How many food groups are in My Plate? So if you remember, there were 4 on the plate, and then there was a circle, a blue circle for the dairy group above. So if you said 5, you are correct. Choose the names of the food groups. You need 5 of them. Fast food is not a food group. The vegetables are green. The fruit food group is red. Meat and beans are part of a food group, but they're not a food group. Protein is purple. Dairy is blue. And grains are orange. And our score is 3 out of 3. Great job. Let's take a look at each food group, their nutrients, and the health benefits. So dairy is blue. Its main nutrients are calcium and vitamin D. You need those for strong bones and teeth. Vegetables is green. Their major nutrients are vitamin A and potassium, and those are for healthy skin and eyes. Fruits, which is designated by the color red, its main nutrients are vitamin C and potassium, and you need vitamin C for healing. Grains, which is orange, its main nutrients are B vitamins and fiber, and you need B vitamins for energy. Protein is purple. Protein's main nutrient is protein and iron. You need protein for strong muscles. And then the pink group, the extras group, it has no nutrients and no health benefits. That's why you're supposed to eat extras in moderation, which means not very often. All right, this activity is build your lunch. So I am going to start off with some spinach. And for my dairy choice, I am going to put some cheese on top of my salad. For fruits, I am going to cut up an apple and put an apple in my salad. For my grains, I am going to have a little piece of bread with my salad. And for my protein, I am going to choose to put on some chicken. And I think I'm going to use salad dressing as an extra, but I'm not going to use very much dressing. Class recap. The 5 food groups include dairy, vegetables, fruits, grains, and proteins, and then there are the extras. A food grouping system helps you make healthy food choices. And identify and classify foods that belong in each of the 5 food groups and extra foods that do not belong to any food group. Don't forget to eat a variety of the 5 food groups. This lesson was brought to you by the Dairy Council of California, Orange County Department of Education, and Miss Ford.